Okay, so I'm going to show you a little quality improvement on your PS5 with the Sony TV. So the first thing you're going to do is we're going to go hit the settings. It's going to look like a little gear button. Alright, so you're going to hit settings. So you're going to go to watching TV. It's all the way at the top. Alright, so now you're going to go to external inputs right here. Okay, so now you're going to go all the way down to HDMI signal format. So I have my PS5 plugged into the HDMI 3. I feel like this HDMI 3 gives the best options, so that's why I put it on HDMI 3. So go to enhance format, the middle one. Alright, so this should increase the quality of your PS5. Things will look a little better, so I hope this worked for you. So I'm also going to show you HDMI 2 and show you the difference. So this one has 60p and HDMI 3 allows you to do 120p. So I figured going with HDMI 3 is the best option. Alright, so like and subscribe.